Today we're going to be doing paper marbling. It's a very easy project, and I've done with this project with some of you in class before. I have a tray. I have several pieces of paper. Cardstock would be best, but I don't have cardstock. This is a piece of cardboard, and I've got two options for color. I've got food coloring, and I've got watercolors, and of course shave cream. I'm going to try it two ways. I'm going to try it with watercolor once, and I'm going to try it with food coloring another time. I'm not sure which one is going to work best because typically I do it with liquid watercolors, but I don't have that, and I'm guessing you don't either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start shaking the shave cream. I bought this at the Safeway. It's just a generic brand. The cheaper the better as far as I'm concerned. I'm going to shake it up nicely. Take the cap off. And then I'm going to do some shave cream on this side. You can see that I covered my kitchen island with a brown paper bag to protect it. So what I've done is out of my kitchen drawer, I got a fork and I got a small skewer. I'm not sure which one is going to work better, so I got both of them so that I could see which one I preferred. I'm going to start with the food coloring. I've got red. Here's some yellow. And I think I'll go with blue. You can use all of the colors if you want. All right, so I think I'll start with the skewer first. That's what I'm used to doing. I'm going to wave it back and forth like this. And then I'm going to go up and down. And then maybe I'll do some swirls, some spirals. All right, I'm gonna get that out of the way, and I'm gonna reach for a piece of paper. I cut this piece of paper to be 4 by 6 inches because I happen to have a piece of cardboard that was slightly larger than 4 by 6, and I wanted the cardboard to be a little bigger. So I'm gonna get that ready for me right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the paper onto my shave cream. I can already see the colors. Ooh, this is exciting. I'm gonna pull it up, and you see my piece of paper. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna put it here, and using my piece of cardboard, I'm gonna scrape off the excess shave cream and wipe it onto this piece of paper over here. So there we go. There's one marbled piece of paper. I don't have to start over. I can pull this back again. I might even mix it up a little bit. I'm going to go around with the fork. Ooh, wow, that's going to be fun. Let's see what happens here. I've got another piece of paper. I'm going to press it here. Making sure it touches. That first one didn't touch. All of the paper didn't touch the shave cream. So I'm going to see if I can make sure it happens here. All right, I'm going to pull that up. Oh, that's going to be fun. Move that out of my way. Get my piece of cardboard, and because it's going in a slightly diagonal direction, I think I'm just gonna do it that way. Wow, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna get that a little bit more cleaned up. Ooh, I like that one the best so far. All right, this was the food coloring. Okay, so I've got my watercolor paints here and I've already got them hydrated. I'm going to put some shave cream on this side. And I'm going to get some of my colors here. I'm already finding that this is more time consuming. I'm gonna wipe that brush off a little bit. And I'm gonna try some of this yellow. I've seen this done with eyedroppers as well, but I don't have an eyedropper. If you have an eyedropper, why don't you try that and let me know how it works for you. All right, I think I'll stop there. Move that out of my way. And I liked using the fork. I think that worked really nicely. So I'm gonna use the fork again. I'm gonna wave it back and forth like this. This reminds me of tie-dye. I bet a lot of you have done that in camps. All right, let's see what happens. Here's another piece of paper. I'm gonna press it down. I'm wondering if I have enough pigment on this one. We'll find out. Pull it up. Get this out of the way. Get my piece of cardboard. And I'm gonna scrape it off. Oh, that's pretty. That's nice. It's a lot more subtle, but beautiful nonetheless. Let's see if I can get a little bit more color in here. I like this one a lot. I'll focus mostly in the center because that's where my paper is going to go, right? Get this red. All right. I'll get my fork again. Better wipe it off. Oh, this is gonna be a lot to clean up. All right. Reach for another piece of paper. Gonna press that in. Gonna go up and down and back and forth before I try to pull it off. There we go. I definitely got the whole piece of paper colored this time. I'll get my tray out of the way. Get my cardboard. And I'm gonna scrape and wipe it off. Oh, that's gorgeous. You can use these for a book cover if you wanted to make a book. You could use it for note cards, whatever you want. There you go. There's paper marbling with shave cream.